So I grabbed a canvas that I was getting ready to pack up or take off of the frame to roll up, and I looked at it and I thought I'm just not. It's not relating to me. Some of the aspects I liked about it, but I'm in the midst of packing up my studio, so I just grabbed my paint and I said, you know what, I'm going to paint over this. I miss painting. I'm in the midst of getting ready to move down to Knoxville in a new studio, new house, new everything. Well, I'm keeping my husband. He's kind of attached at the hip, 40 years. So I'm keeping him, but I'm wanting to paint so much that I just grabbed this and painted over it. Some of you will probably go, oh no, I really like the other one better. But it's, as artists, we speak our voice on our art. So I turned the camera on. I know due to my circumstances, the camera's not high enough for you to see the whole thing. But I think you get the gist of what is happening here. And so I thought I would, instead of just not showing it to you, I thought I would just turn the camera on and let you see my painting process on this particular painting. So as I'm winding down on this painting, is it perfect? Done? I like it. It was done quickly. I would say in 30 minutes. I sped up some of this so that you didn't have to sit through some of the same things, but I find it's more fitting in the current style that I'm doing. And I just really enjoyed painting. You know, if you're a creative and you're out of your studio because you go on a trip or you just can't get into the studio because life happens, you miss it. And it's like this, you know, I'm not a depressed person, but there were hours of like, I felt depressed. I couldn't get in the studio. So this felt good. So thank you for joining me, and thank you for being a part of my life with me.